Hello, this is a live video of my hair I got from K Hair Factory from Lani. The hair is super beautiful, super lush. This is 16 inches, double drawn, PC coil. I love my hair and I love the quality of the hair. I'm from Nigeria. Yeah, this is 4 bundles of 8 inches, double drawn, orange brown bone straight. I also love the quality of this hair. This hair is super lush. I love the strands. It's very giving. I love the color. It's not sharp. It's not those common orange that you see in the market. This is super luxury. I love my quality K hair gave me. I love my quality, man. This hair is super lush. Check it out. This is 10 and 8 inches dark berry bone straight. Dark berry, man. I love the strength of this hair. It's giving 100 over 100. Thank you, K Hair, for your quality. You guys have improved. I really love my hair. Not like, I love it. Thank you very much. Hope to do more deals with you, more business with you.